Hi, my name is Jessie Yerxa and I'm a real estate agent. I'm part of an award-winning real estate team, but that's not all that we are, and that's not all that I want us to be known as. I found a way to couple our careers with a passion in creating the trademark Positive Property. I love helping clients buy and sell their homes, and I've always had a soft spot for animals, especially those in shelters and in need of a loving home. So here's the idea. When we list a home, it's deemed a positive property using this sign topper. And once sold, $100 of the proceeds of the sale is added to a monthly positive property check donated to our local SPCA. Have you been looking for a little piece of paradise? A place that you can't wait to come home to, that offers both comfort and accommodations. How about a home with a beautiful backyard and gorgeous water views? This executive style home has been immaculately maintained and remodeled, including this beautiful kitchen with Castleton cabinets, gorgeous granite island, and of course, more views of the water. I could get used to this. Thanks for visiting 1125 Woodstock Road.